Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove the clock from your lock screen here on your Samsung device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, unlock your phone, enter your password or biometrics. Now once that's done, go ahead over to your settings, find the settings app and just find lock screen, okay? Tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll down and find edit lock screen, okay? Just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you're gonna want to tap and hold or tap on the clock itself. If you're using the older version of Android or Samsung, you can go ahead and tap on the delete button right here. But for newer versions, unfortunately, you don't have the option, okay? You can just go ahead over to styles right here and do not show weather, okay? And just select simpler graphics right here, or if you want to, you could go ahead and make it smaller until it's not noticeable, okay? Whatever you do, tap and hold, it won't be deleted. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.